Hi everyone, good morning and welcome to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets for Monday the 21st of July. The geopolitical events in the Ukraine continue to dominate market activity. The European markets are down again today, not hugely, but certainly they've reacted negatively to news over the weekend that the situation is not really being sorted out. The separatists continue to stand in the way of the international desire to sort this situation out. And also Russia seems to be still fairly obstructive as well. So it appears that at some stage there's going to be an escalation of the sanctions on Russia, you can imagine, and also how the recriminations in terms of the actions of supposedly the separatists have got as well. So that is producing a bit of a flight to safety today. Bit of stock market weakness, bit of gains on gold. The yen is fairly strong, also the dollar is also strong, so it just shows that there's a little bit of a flight to safety going on again today. There's no real economic data out that's due, so we're focusing mainly on this situation. And if you look at how the VIX index reacted on Thursday, spiked higher, significantly higher, and then basically all the way back down again. But it just shows a bit of that nervousness that is in the system still, and I think it'll be interesting to watch how this VIX now moves, because obviously we did have that rebound on Friday on Wall Street, but the nervousness around this whole situation, and also Gaza as well. There's escalating tensions in between Israel and the Palestinians in Gaza, and that is also putting a bit of fear and volatility increasing as well. So just a couple of big geopolitical events that are driving markets at the moment. In terms of our currencies, we're looking at the dollar index, which has just picked up again in the last hour or so. Very early morning today on Monday, the dollar was starting to correct a little bit, but as these stock markets have opened and the European trading has really begun to get going, I think the dollar has become back in favour once again, dragging the euro lower, sterling lower as well. So it just looks like there's a bit of a flight to safety going on today, and you can imagine that that's going to continue through the day. The US markets also look like they're going to be opening a little bit negative as well today. How is that impacting on my chart of the day? Well, the DAX is back at this two supports actually. This is the primary uptrend that's been in play on the DAX for about 3 years now. That got broken early on, or certainly tested early on, but the DAX then subsequently formed support pretty much bang on that 144-day moving average. Also, you'd say that between April and May, and since then in the July low, around 9,600 was a basis of support on the DAX. And we had a low at 9612 early today before a bit of a rebound, and here on the intraday chart you'll see that rebound. You had a gap lower on Friday that took the DAX down, so that gap's still open, and that currently comes in at 9,747. So that is interesting. That gap is still open, and that theoretically that needs to be filled at some stage, probably soon. So you could well see a bit of support coming in, and a filling or even closing of that gap. And exactly how the market reacts to that gap could be key to the near-term outlook. If it fills it and closes it, then that could be that the market, the DAX then starts to recover again. But if it just fills it and then sells off again, then I think that would be a negative reaction, and certainly the market would take that as further pressure on this big bull outlook on the DAX. The DAX, well, Germany generally is quite closely tied economically to Russia, so the DAX does feel that as it seems to be underperforming other European indices today, but certainly one to keep an eye on there. And this big primary uptrend on DAX is fairly important. But as I said, you've got three supports. You've got the primary uptrend, you've got that 144-day moving average, and also this 9,600 basis of support. So three levels there to work from. And if that were to break to the downside, then certainly that would not be a very positive development. But anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.